Hi guys, it's Trish. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is so exciting. I will be showing you guys what I've gotten recently for my apartment. Today was my move-in day. I got the keys. I'm so excited, and it's already like nighttime. And so far I've shopped at Ikea, Amazon, Marshalls, Target, and I also have a few more coming in the mail. I went to Marshalls and they always have the cutest kitchen stuff. I found these. They're by the brand Masterclass. I had to get them because they're just super cute and I think they're pretty good quality. This from Marshalls as well. Stone ceramic coasters. And then I got this like spatula. This is so cute. It's gray. It's like this ceramic stoneware. It says catch you on the flip side, which I think is super cute. I got this really cute book from Urban Outfitters. I know they always have the cutest like home decor, so I had to go in there, and I'm so happy because I got this really cute book and it's just like dumplings and noodles. I'm gonna try to make my fridge and pantry like super organized. I got this a holder. I'm still gonna get more because this is the only thing I got for the fridge so far, but I still have to get like fridge containers or whatever. This is also from Marshalls. It's a set of 3 natural bamboo storage baskets, which I'm gonna put in the bathroom. I want my bathroom to have just like bright and airy and like spa-like. The bamboo will really bring that. But I got just these like super cute gray, like dark marble rolling pin for baking. It has this holder inside, a paper towel holder. I also went to Ikea Containers, just like bowl glass containers just for food storage. I had to get the bamboo lids because they're so cute. Oops. But yeah, they look like this. I love them. They're so cute. Also from Ikea, I got these pots for plants. I think they're very cute. I actually got a bigger size of this as well, but I decided to put it in my bathroom. So it's like a cute trash can and it works out great. It has like handles as well. Over the hook door, just like a plain silver one just for extra like handles for my towels and all that. So I got some like soap dispensers from Target. I couldn't choose between these two. I had to get both. This one is just like a white marble. This one is so pretty. It's a dark, you know, just like stone ceramic gray. Got another little kitchen dispenser because this is for the dish soap, and the sponge will go here. This is from Amazon. Super cute. Really great quality. I love the black hardware. I also got this soap dish, and then I got this, which also matches with the rolling pin and paper towel holder. Some fake plants. I will get real plants, don't worry, because I want to put these cute plants on top of my kitchen cabinets. I think it will look super cute. I got this basic scissors from Ikea as well. It's just white and gray scissors. I got these basic utensils. I'm probably gonna get more, obviously, like a different brand. Clear mugs. I thought these were so cute and they're microwavable. Got more stuff from Ikea. It's just some basic stuff. This is really cool. It's like for tea. Yeah, she's really cute. This glass bottle, which I want to get more. I think it's super cute. I was looking for measuring cups and measuring spoons that were like super cute. I didn't want just like basic ones. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and they're measuring cups. Like, how cute is this? But yeah, I thought this was so cute. You can just have this like laying out on the kitchen as well for decor. It came with this like small set of some measuring teaspoons, tablespoons, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. Isn't that cute? More things from Amazon. This one I actually haven't opened yet. I got these like marble. They are so cute. I don't know, call me extra. They're silicone. So I also got this from Amazon. It's a toilet brush cleaner. I got the marble white one because it makes it look cuter. And I got this like cute little thing from Ikea, and it's like for little powder sugar. And you just kind of go like that if you have like pancakes or waffles. Baking pan. Super cute. I should have gotten one more. There was another one, but I just got one, which is fine. But this is like also like a cute like white with like black speckled, just like baking spatulas. Yeah, they're really cute. I thought I would do some fun pastel like spring colors because all of my things are like boring, and it's just like wood. I think it's great. I can like slice my stuff on here, like cutting board, or I can just like use it for a tray for food and all that. Small little cute bowls for like serving if I have like a cute party. You can put like sauce in here, like dipping sauce and like sides and all that. Super cute, and I love how it's like black and gold. Little tray, which I'm so obsessed with. This is like cute little bowls that I got, and I can put like, you know, dessert or like sides you can eat, like probably not cereal because this is too small, but you know, just like something that this will fit in. But it's also marble. It's so cute. Got these like plate bowls, a darker gray color. This is stoneware. I like it a lot. It's pretty big. I think this is a 10-inch plate, and it came with a set of 6. From Amazon, I got this like cute spice rack, which I'm not gonna have like a lot of spices, but just in case, like over time, like it builds up and I'm making like different foods, you know, like it's gonna build up over time. But yeah, I just have this cute little spice rack. These are my little spice containers. They're so cute. They have the bamboo lids, and it's just like some glassware. I also got some DIY sticker labels from Etsy, which I'm so excited for them to come in. They're so cute. I got this knife set. It's so cute. I love how there's like a case already and it's acrylic, and I just got like a black. It comes with a lot of things you really need. Even a pizza like knife here, which I think was so cute. And it comes with scissors as well. Also has a knife sharpener. She's really aesthetic. Okay, so my main pan, I love her already. Best quality, like just by like feeling it, you know it's really great quality. Yeah. My mom actually got this for me. Thank you so much, Mom. But yeah, she got it. I'm so excited about it. It's like a little steamer. You can steam stuff. I also got this from Ikea. It's like a little cute spotlight, which I'm excited to put. It's really cute with spotlights. I'm not sure where exactly I want them yet. I found this floating shelf from Marshall's, and I thought I would pick it up because I just needed one. This is pretty light as well. It's also a lighter color. From Ikea, just some basic rugs. I got this. I got 2 of these, and I just thought I needed a cheap rug, to be honest, because I have a dog. He's not here right now. He's actually at home. I will get him tomorrow. Just cheap rugs because he might pee on them. Rug as well. This is like a bigger one that I will probably put under my couch, and my couch is coming tomorrow, which I'm so excited for because that will just kind of complete everything so far. Cute little throw blanket that I'm gonna put on the couch. Actually ordered a long time ago, but I never opened it. So it's finally time. I will open this, but I still need to get a base for it. Okay, this is the last thing I'm gonna show you guys. But I got Astro this really cute like chair, swinging chair, and he actually liked it. He can't really go on it by himself because it moves and he gets scared. So I put him on here and he'll stay for a little bit, and he's also napped in here. It's just so cute. This is from Marshall's. Can't really link it, but you guys should try going to Marshall's and TJ Maxx because you might score one. But yeah, this is really cute. I love it. So that was my haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.